Today was supposed to be an editing day, but I saw that we were by the frontera, the borders for all three, so I decided to come over here and check this out. But I did a jog here because it's good to get a workout in while you're here, so might as well run here, come enjoy it. So I'm currently standing in Brazil, close to Iguazu, and then behind me here, you have Paraguay and Argentina. It's beautiful. I'll flip it around here in a minute. There you go, the other side over there. This is the Tres Fronteras, where the three borders come together in the river. It's pretty beautiful. Yes. Yesterday I did the Argentinian side. Today it's Iguazu Falls on the Brazilian side. So we're gonna go take a look and see what it looks like here, but I'm pretty excited. I've heard really good things about this trail. It's a little smaller, only one trail, but supposedly it has amazing view of Iguazu Falls. Decided to do the boat tour and to the waterfall, which goes under the waterfall, and also an entrance to the park, which is a hike to the trail. So total it's going to be $85 US. Yeah, this looks exciting. Just the entrance to the park is probably about 10, 15 US, but I think it's worth it to do the boat to get right into one of the most amazing waterfalls in the world. So this is going to be fun. Let's go check this out. Been away, up and away. Those are Coatis. They're pretty cool. They just kind of meander around looking for food. Pretty chill, pretty sweet. But I don't think you want to touch them. I've seen some pictures of what they can do to hands and body parts. No bueno. Yes, we found monkeys. Misty. I'm here alone with nobody else. I'm completely alone. There's nobody here. Nobody here. Currently on the Brazilian side of Iguazu, but if you look across the way here, you'll see the Argentinian side that we were at yesterday. See the flag way over there. Going under the waterfall. Hope I don't get sucked into the waterfall. This could be dangerous. We're now walking through the jungle to get to the embarkation point for the boats. But there are some spiders and some caterpillars and some plants we should not be touching here. So I probably touched a million of them walking through all these other jungles with nobody telling us anything. So who knows? This is beautiful though. Look at this. Also got the front row. So back behind me we have the Argentinian side of the Iguazu Falls. Yep. That was amazing. Probably should put the hood on, but it's alright.
Boxers are wet, definitely wet.
Oh my god, I'm drenched.
Vale, oh. Getting a little wet. That was absolutely amazing. We just drove in to one of the Iguazu falls. There's hundreds of falls there, but we drove into one of them. And it was crazy powerful. You could hear it, it was thunderous. And the next thing you know, it's like in your face and you're just, for a minute there, you get a little scared. And I'm like, oh wait, this is the time it goes wrong and the thing breaks down. But it ended up working out. It's fantastic. Do it, yes.